The KingsWay School Ball 2012. It looked fabulous, you all looked fabulous, and we had a great time. Want next year's ball to be just as spectacular? Well, it's time to do your part. Let me introduce you to this great website, if you haven't already seen it. bluemelon.com/KingsWay. Here, you can look at photos, you can like photos, and hey, you can even comment on photos. But right now, guys, what we need you to do is click on this button here and buy photos. This really is a great site. It allows you to purchase whatever photos, matte, glossy, any size, and the prints are dirt cheap. And if you really want, you can get a poster, a canvas, or hey, even a gift mug. When you go to check it out, you'll notice you need at least $7 to make this purchase. So if you don't want to spend that much, here's where you pull with your mates. Get the equivalent of about 12 basic photos together, then check out. Fill in the details, select your shipping, and pay by credit card. Easy as that. So come on guys, support the ball and make it happen just as great next year.